How to clear contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on your Apple ID profile, which is located at the very top and displays your name. Tap on the iCloud option. Look for the section with header Save to iCloud and then tap on the Show All button on the right side of it. This page shows all the apps that sync data with iCloud. Scroll down to find Contacts. Now, turn off the toggle switch for contacts as shown. This will stop contacts from syncing and a prompt will appear asking what to do with the existing iCloud contacts. Tap on Delete from My iPhone to clear them from your device. Following these steps, you can easily clear all your contacts on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.